Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a special offer on your listing on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do now is to switch to hosting by clicking on this button, or you can just go to manage listing. So I'm going to click here, and then we will go to menu so we can access to our listings. Then you choose the listing where you want to add a special offer, and then we will find the pricing and availability. And basically here you will find everything concerning the prices and the offers. And then you will go to discounts, and here we will find all the offers that you can add or that you can do to your listing in Airbnb. So basically there are the weekly discount, monthly discount, and custom discounts, etc. So all you need to do is to edit any offer that you want, and then you will set up a percentage for your discount, and this will be an offer for your listing. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.